Stop scrolling. Imagine giving a gift that literally never dies. No wilting, no watering, and absolutely zero allergies. Just pure handmade perfection that stay beautiful forever. If you are looking for your next viral product to launch on Etsy or Shopify, or honestly, if you are just looking for an incredible heartfelt gift idea, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the beautiful cozy world of crochet flower bouquet. Forget what you think you know about traditional yarn craft. We are looking at modern chic and breathtaking design that are taking the e-commerce world by storm right now. Grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's get inspired. First up, let's talk about the absolute crowd pleasure, the pastel dreams. There is a reason pastel boutiques are top sellers on platforms like Etsy. They tap perfectly into the category aesthetic that buyers love. Think soft lavender sprigs, pale pink tulips, and creamy white daisies. If you are crafting these to sell, the secret to making your listing pop is the texture. Mixing a fuzzy mohair yarn for a soft filler flower alongside a crisp mechanized cotton for a sharp tulip, creating a stunning visual contrast. These are absolute goldmine for Mother's Day, baby shower, and spring graduation. Pair them with a soft brown craft paper wrap and a jute bow for the ultimate rustic high feel. Now let's pivot to something a bit more dramatic. If your target audience prefers a bit of mystery and romance, you need to look at Moody Floral's dark academia vibe. We are talking deep burgundy roses, burnt oranges, flowers, dark forest green, eucalyptus leaf. This palette is incredibly popular for autumn wedding and graduation gift of gothic chic home decor. What makes these sell so well on Shopify is their uniqueness. While everyone else is selling bright pinks, your shop can stand out with these rich, luxurious tones. Try adding a single velvet or satin ribbon to wrap to instantly elevate the perceived value. Buyer will always pay a premium for something that looks like fine art. But what if you want a faster turnaround time? Let's face it. Massive 20 set stem bouquet takes a lot of hours of crochet. Enter the mini bouquet desktop friend. These are bite size arrangement. Maybe one single perfectly sculpted rose surrounded a bit of baby breaths or a tray of mini daisies. These are incredible popular impulse buys. On Etsy, this excel is thinking of a gift teacher appreciation present or cute desk accessory for corporate workers who want a little splash of nature without the maintenance. Because they require less yarn and less time, you can price them lower, which drives a much higher volume of sales, plus they are breeze to ship. Here is a multi-million dollar secret for anyone wanting to build successful online flower shop. The magic is in the presentation. When a customer buys a crochet bouquet, they aren't just buying yarn, they are buying an experience. Your product photo on Shopify and Etsy should always show exactly how the bouquet arrives. Use premium wrapping paper like Korean mesh floral wrap or heavy duty matte paper, including a beautiful personalized care card that explain how to dust or reshape the flower if they get slightly squished in transit. When your unboxing experience is aesthetic,